A very warm day everyone, this is your Valli addressing from SL William School Jagapat Nagaram, dealing with the subject English of class 4. So children, I hope all of you are fine there and doing good and listening our classes and following our school in a very proper and particular way, and be healthy, be safe. And children, in this video I am going to discuss about the textual grammar part of Joe the Emoji poem. Okay children, in this video we are going to discuss about the poem grammar part. Okay children, so I am going with page number 15. Here we have some Romans. Now I am going with Roman A. What's that? Tick the correct words within brackets to complete this summary of the poem. Okay, here given a final summary, final discussion about the poem given here. So we have to choose the correct and particular words to fill those summary missing words. So children, look here. In this poem, Joe the emoji talks about himself. Joe the emoji talks about himself, right? He tells us about the different faces he makes. He tells us about the different faces he makes. What are the different faces he explained to us? Sad, angry, crazy, lovable, tight, and trying, dude, no comments. Many more expressions he expresses to us. Right? Here, look here. He smiles or cries when he is glad. Glad means happy. When he is happy, what he expresses? He expresses smiles. Okay, next. His face turns green or red when he is angry. When he is angry, how is his face looks? His face looks red in color. And a yarn or teardrop appears when he is sad. When he is sad, what happened? Obviously he may cry, right? That means a drop of tear. Some teardrops may appear. Next, whenever he is silly, he wears dark glasses, stick his tongue out. He is silly. What he do? He takes his tongue out. Okay, he will wink at you or blow you a kiss if he likes you. And he sleeps or cries when he is tired. When he is tired, he sleeps. And sings or cries, he is afraid. When he is afraid, he cries. Okay, and the next one, he has the most flexible face ever. He hopes that you meet or like him, and don't think he is rude. Joe the emoji thinks he is a cool dude. I'm not going with that much more deep into the explanation, children. Why? Because while explaining about the lesson, I given you proper and particular information about the lesson on drawing on your notes clearly the emojis. Okay children, now I am going with the second Roman number deep, that write 2 rhyming words of your choice for these words from the poem. We have to write the rhyming words. Rhyming words means samely pronounced. Samely pronounced words, we call it as rhyming words. For example, the first one is sad. For sad, what are the words we say it as rhyming words? Mad, bad, had, dad. Okay, these are the rhyming words. And the next one, silly, hilly, lily, tilly, milly, and etc. And the next one, made, paid, fade, head. Okay, these are considered made. And the next one is rude, jude, foot, stood. These all are considered rhyming words. And the next one is read these expressions words, write the correct numbers in the circles to match them with the faces. Okay children, here we have some bunch of expressions here. We have to write the type of expression while using these hints. Okay children, what is this one? While looking clearly into this expression, what is this expression? Afraid. This is the expression of afraid. Afraid means 4. And the next one, this is the expression of shocked, surprised, right? So the second one is 2. And the next one is, look here, what is this expression? This is the expression of sad. And the next, what is the expression? This is the expression of angry. See her teeth? Yes. Next one. This one. This is the expression of tired. And finally, this is the expression of happy. Okay children, in this video, I am giving directly the homework. What's that is, work with your partner. One of you should read the poem aloud. Then the other should use facial expressions and gestures to act out the emotions mentioned in the poem. I will giving you the simple and very decent and very interesting task to you guys. What's that is, for example, I am going with the 2 children, Manashwini and Krishmika. Both are sisters, right? Just like that, you have brothers or sisters. You have some children at your home, right? So, what the task I am giving to you guys is, one must read the poem loudly. Then, the 4th class students must give the facial expressions to that video. For example, look here, again I am going with the poem. I am taking, for example, I am taking this. Okay, I am tired. When I am tired, this is the poem is there. Like first I am giving some hint about this line. For example, the other class student must read this line, but the 4th class student must give the expression to that line. Just give the expression of tired, and next expression of afraid, and the expression of okay, and the expression of crazy and lovable. Just record all your expressions and make a video and send to us. Okay children, thank you for watching the video and please complete this crazy task. And again, while posting this video as homework, I will explain one more time deeply the homework. Okay children, thank you.